What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to download Chekra1N Jailbreak without using a USB. So the first step you guys have to do, I'll leave the link in the description. You have to download this package called UNEBOOTH. I'll leave the link in the description below so that all of you guys can download it. This package, what it actually do, it help you install Chekra1N Jailbreak without need of a USB. You just install it inside your hard drive, inside on the same hard drive. You can find the description and the instruction on how to use it just on this website. I'm going to download it and show you how it works. So I've already downloaded this package, so I'm just going to cancel the download right here. I don't think I'm going to download it. So here's another one, is Mediafire. It's on Mediafire. It's Chekra1N Jailbreak iOS. You have also to download it. Here it is. I've already downloaded. You can see there's a file. After I download this, you have to extract it so that you'll be able to access the ISO file to install it. So let's go back now. What you have to do is to open UNEBOOTH from your downloads. You have to go back to the download and open UNEBOOTH in your web browser. After you open it, it's going to bring a prompt, and all you have to do is open, and here it is. So the first thing you have to do is to change this to hard drive where it's written USB disk. Change it to hard drive and go and select where it's written iOS and search for the iOS file on your PC. Click on Chekra1N, click on Chekra1N again. I'm just trying to show you how it's where you will find it. Click on Chekra1N and there it is, the iOS file. You found it, and I'm just checking if there's anything else, so you just have to click on OK and wait for it. It definitely is going to take time, so just leave it, and it depends on the speed of your hard drive and your RAM. I don't know how many times, but it can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so just leave it and it's going to extract with time. I'm going to meet you guys when it's almost finishing at the end. So there it is, it's done right now. So all you have to do is click on exit on your PC. Click on exit on the right button. After you click on exit, you have to restart your PC. So I'm just going to click right now on exit. On this one, everything is almost done. Check that everything is done and you selected the right iOS file, and now you have to go back and restart your PC. So I'm going to switch the camera right now and I'm going to show you guys what else is happening. So right now I'm restarting the PC, and I'm just adjusting the camera so that you guys can see. I have no USB drive connected to my PC. I'll show you at the end, but for now the PC is restarting, and I'm going to show you step by step on what you should do to set up Chekra1N Jailbreak to run on the device. If you guys really want to check out my other video on Chekra1N Jailbreak that I've done in the past, you can kind of understand what Chekra1N Jailbreak and how it's working right now. So my PC is restarting right now, it's booting, and I'm going to show you how this works. So this is just a simple diagnosis of checking if everything is correct with my drive or my ROM on my PC, on my hard disk. So the Windows is kind of restarting right now. Just give it time, and I don't know how your PC is going to restart, but you're going to see a prompt very shortly. Mine is not going to take a lot of time, but I don't know. I'm just going to wait and we're going to see what is going to happen. It's restarting right now, just booting. I guess it's just depend on your hard disk and your ROM how it's going. So here's a prompt. You have to choose between the two operating system. Go on UNEBOOTH using the arrow button and you click on enter. There it is, it's booting now with UNEBOOTH. The package we just installed It's booting into Chekra1N Jailbreak. I don't know how long it's going to take, but just give it time. It usually take from 5 to 10 minutes. Depend on your hard disk. So I'm just going to let it train, and I'll meet you guys when all the diagnoses are almost done. So guys, here it is, it's almost done. Just connect you have to make sure that your iPhone is already connected, so just leave it. It's picking up my iPhone and it's going to restart directly. This was just take it, the one who made this Chekra1N Jailbreak, and there it is. Here's the Chekra1N Jailbreak, and now it was kind of released. So here it's just running a smooth diagnosis, and I'm going to show you guys how you can set it up and how you can use it to jailbreak your iPhone running iOS 12.3 to iOS 13.5, the latest iOS, as long as it's from iPhone 5s to iPhone X. So here it is, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it. So it's just running some diagnosis, and I'm just waiting for it to finish, and we are going to jailbreak the device. I'm going to show you how to do it. There it is. You just use your arrow. You can use the arrow on your device to choose from what you want to do. There's option, there's quit. The option you can choose maybe to reboot your device, to reboot, to put in safe mode and all that kind of stuff. You can see the Chekra1N Jailbreak logo, or you can also quit using. You can manipulate everything using the arrow button. So here it is, guys. So if you want to jailbreak a device, all you have to do is just connect it, trust the computer on your iPhone, and click and go on start. I haven't connected my device yet, so that's where the start button is not yet there. As you can see here, they're saying connect your device to start jailbreaking. I haven't connected my device, that's why it's not working. So I'm just going to click on quit, click on OK, and here it is. So use the arrow button to choose if you want to quit. You click on quit, you click enter. If you want to go back to your Windows operating system, you click on OK, click on enter. After clicking on enter, all you have to do is choose reboot, and now it's rebooting. As you guys can see, there's only the cable to my iPhone. I have no USB connected to my PC, and now it's rebooting and restarting. So here it is, running again the diagnosis, and this is the last time. I'm going to show you now how you can reboot back to your Windows PC directly. This is a good method. You have no need for a USB or anything else. You can install Ubuntu, you can install Linux on the same USB, on the same drive, on the same hard drive as your PC. You don't need an external hard drive or a USB or a pen drive. So here it is, guys. That's how it's running. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, become another member of this family, and let me know which type of video you guys want. So there it was, it showed just Windows 10, and I just click on enter, and it's now rebooting into Windows 10. So thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video and it did help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.